Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trainheroic strength training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trainheroic is a strength training app designed to help coaches and athletes build and follow structured training programs. It allows users to access workouts created by professional coaches, track performance metrics, log sets and reps, and collaborate with trainers. The app is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its coach-driven programming and real-time analytics. You can join a program designed by a coach, log your lifts and accessory work, receive feedback based on your performance, and monitor progress over time. It also supports team features so coaches can manage athlete groups and view aggregated metrics. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ability to deliver high-quality programming, keep detailed performance logs, and offer accountability through coach access. Athletes say it simplifies tracking volume, intensity, and progress across training cycles. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users note that full access to coach-led programs or specialized metrics may require a subscription. Others mention that for solo lifters without a coach, the app's team-oriented features may be less relevant. Also, highly advanced customization of workouts may still feel limited if you're very experienced and prefer fully tailored programming. In summary, the Trainheroic app may be worth using if you want access to structured strength training programs, detailed tracking, and coach interaction. However, if you're primarily training alone without a coach or want full program customization, you might find some features less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video.